A for apple.
A for apple.
B for ball.
B for ball.
C for cat.
C for cat.
D for dog.
D for dog.
E for elephant.
E for elephant.
A for fish.
A for fish.
G for goat.
G for goat.
H for horse.
H for horse.
I for insect.
I for insect.
J for joker.
J for joker.
K for koala.
K for koala.
L for leaf.
L for leaf.
M for mango.
M for mango.
N for nut.
N for nut.
O for orange.
O for orange.
P for pineapple.
P for pineapple.
Q for queen.
Q for queen.
R for rabbit.
R for rabbit.
S for snake.
S for snake.
T for tree.
T for tree.
U for umbrella.
U for umbrella.
V for van.
V for van.
W for water lily.
W for water lily.
X for X-ray.
X for X-ray.
Y for yak.
Y for yak.
Z for zebra.
Z for zebra.
हेलो किड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज हम सीखने वाले हैं ए फॉर एरोप्लेन, बी फॉर बोट। तो चलिए वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं। ए फॉर एरोप्लेन। ए फॉर एरोप्लेन। ए के बाद आता है बी फॉर बॉल। B for ball. C for car. C for car. D. D for doll. D for doll. E. E for egg. E for egg. F. F for frog. F for frog. F के बाद आता है G. G for girl. G for girl. G के बाद आता है S. S for horse. S for horse. I for ink. I for ink. J. J for jeep. J for jeep. K. K for king. K for king. L. L for lion. L for lion. M. M for money. M for money. M के बाद आता है N. N for nurse. N for nurse. N के बाद आता है O. O for orange. O for क्या होता है kids? O for होता है orange. O के बाद आता है P. P for peacock. P for peacock. Q. Q for quill. Q for quill. R. R for rose. R for rose. S. S for snake. S for snake. T. T for train. T for train. T के बाद आता है U. U for unicorn. U for unicorn. U के बाद आता है V. V for भैंस. V for भैंस. V के बाद आता है W. W for watermelon. W for watermelon. X. X for xylophone. X for xylophone. X के बाद आता है Y. Y for yak. Y for yak. Y के बाद आता है Z. Z for zebra. Z for क्या होता है kids? Z for होता है zebra. A for apple.
A for apple. 1, 2, 3, 4.
B for ball.
B for ball. 1, 2, 3, 4.
C for cat.
C for cat.
D for dog.
D for dog.
E for elephant.
E for elephant.
F for fish.
F for fish.
G for grapes.
G for grapes.
H for hen.
H for hen.
I for ice cream.
I for ice cream.
J for jug.
J for jug.
K for kite.
K for kite.
L for lion.
L for lion.
M for monkey.
M for monkey.
N for nest.
N for nest.
O for orange.
O for orange.
P for parrot.
P for parrot.
Q for queen.
Q for queen.
R for rat.
R for rat.
S for sun.
S for sun.
T for tiger.
T for tiger.
U for umbrella.
U for umbrella.
V for fan.
V for fan.
W for watch.
W for watch.
X for Xmas tree.
X for Xmas tree.
Y for yak.
Y for yak.
Z for zebra.
Z for zebra.